Welcome to the Red Squirrel Campsite in Glencoe. I thought I'd just do a little tour showing the way around and what there is here. So that yellow box is where you come in, that's the main road. It's situated in amongst all these hills. We've got toilets and showers over here. Spaces for doing your dishes and washing clothes. And then we'll just have a little walk around. Over here we have a Wi-Fi hut. The Wi-Fi doesn't go too far and it's not particularly fast, but it does work. Some mobile networks work here on 4G and some don't. There's a small river runs through the campsite. You can see people over there swimming in it and things. We'll have a quick look. There's lots of fire pits sitting around that you can use. Fires have to be out at 11 o'clock at night. Apart from that, you're free to do what you like. There's quite a lot of water points as well. They're the green triangles you can see. It's kind of like semi-wild camping, but with showers and running water. It's quite nice. There's a water point there. There is a separate family area down here to the left where there is no fires allowed, and it's all kids and people with small children and things. It's all quite nice. It's usually quite quiet at night after 11. Even before then, really. People are quite well behaved. The only downside is there's no booking ahead of time. You just have to turn up, and it's cash payments only. So there is a risk that if you turn up and it's fully occupied, you won't get in. But it does seem to be able to fit a lot of people in. It's 22 acres. The showers are good. They get cleaned every day from between 11 and 2. This is our pitch over here. It's a nice sunny day, so we've got our solar panels out to charge the drone. Alright, and that was a brief tour of the Red Squirrel Campsite in Glencoe. It's well worth a visit. £12.50 a night it costs for adults, and I think it's about £2 for children, so it's very affordable. Beautiful scenery. It's just a nice place to be. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.